All right, so I'm going to go over the Leviton Smart Plug, how to sync it with a network, and then how to reset it. So the first step is going to be syncing. Whenever you'd want to sync this plug is whenever you're trying to communicate with the hub, get them talking with each other, so you'll be able to actually control this plug through your phone. So how you do it is you're going to hold this button right here for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it flashes yellow, you're going to let go and you're going to re-click it. And when it starts flashing green here, that's actually when it's going to be looking for the network to connect with. So you'll want to have it up with your phone, and then from there, you'll see it connecting with the network. Now, if you get any red flashing lights or anything like that, then you know that this plug is already on a network. So how you could kick this off a hub, or how you could kick it off a hub or reset it, is you're actually going to hold this button right here. So this is a factory reset on the plug. You're going to hold it for 14 seconds. It's going to flash yellow just like before. After it flashes yellow, you're actually going to keep holding it until it flashes red. When it flashes red, that's when we know the reset occurred and it's been kicked off all networks. So there you go. It flashed red. It did it fast. Boom. There you go. So first off, that's how you sync to a network. And then number 2, that's how you factory reset or kick it off a network with the Leviton Smart Plug.